If you're thinking about using an AI video tool to make faceless videos, two names probably come up a lot: HeyGen and Synthesia. But which one's better? Let's break it down. Both HeyGen and Synthesia are AI powered platforms that let you create videos using digital avatars. No camera, no mic, no editing skills needed. Just type your script, pick an avatar, and let the platform do the work. But there are a few key differences to help you decide. HeyGen gives you more flexibility with customization. You can choose from a wider variety of avatars, voices, languages, and even clone your own voice. Plus, it's super user friendly, perfect for creators who want to make YouTube videos, social content, or tutorials quickly without sacrificing style. On the other hand, Synthesia is often seen as a more business focused platform. It's great for corporate training videos, onboarding, and internal communication. It does offer high quality avatars, but it can feel more rigid if you are a solo creator or content marketer looking for a creative freedom. Both tools are powerful, but if you are focused on making engaging, personalized, faceless content, especially for YouTube or TikTok, HeyGen usually gives you more control and visual appeal. Try both tools and see what works best for your workflow. But if you're leaning towards creativity, flexible faceless videos, HeyGen might be the better pick. Follow for more quick breakdowns on AI video tools and subscribe for more.